Here we go, a nice simple video for today. We've got a 2014 Hyundai Santa Fe DM. We're going to change the pollen filter, the cabin filter, so it lives in the glove box. You undo that, you come in, you'll see we've got these plastic tabs. So you turn those and remove that one. Same on the other side. And then you've got the limiter down on the side here, so pull it off, it falls down. Back behind here you've got your filter. Squeeze the clip, take it off. We'll take out our old filter. So this is at 20,000 kilometers. So you can see they get pretty gross pretty quick in this car for some reason. Factory service interval is every oil change, so every 15,000 kilometers. But yeah, 20,000 Ks. So we'll grab a new one. This one's a blueprint, whatever it is, ADG 02578. So we'll swap it out. It's important to note you've got your direction arrow. The airflow goes that way, so you can see our stuff gets blocked before it comes out. So yeah, on Santa Fe, arrow points down. You got airflow, arrow points down. Slide it on in. Cover back on. Limiter back on the reconnect the limiter. Now we've got these kind of cammed holders that hold the sides in. Put it in, click it home, shut it up. There you are, too easy. A couple of clips, a limiter bar, and take the cover off, and you can swap out your pollen filter in about 2 minutes. Cheers.